Say good morning, chicken wing. Mama's not feeling good today, huh? How you doing? How are you, chicken? Chicken, how are you? Sweet baby. How's sweet baby doing? Aw, little sweet baby. How'd you get to be so cute, chicken? How'd you get to be so cute? You want to cheer mommy up today? She's not feeling good, huh? Oh, I know what that means. You want some scratches, huh? I want some scratches. I can't scratch you and video you at the same time. I love you. I love you. You gonna wave? You gonna say hi? You gonna say hi? Well, you're lifting your little footy up. No. Are you sad, chicken? Because Mama don't feel good, huh? You sad chicken. I love you. I love you. Hi. Hi, chicken. Hi. Aw, good girl. You did say hi. You did say hi. Thank you. Hi. Oh, you're just tucking your foot under, maybe. You're crazy little girl. I love you, chicken wing. I love you, baby. I love you, sweetheart. Okay. I guess I'm going to have to stop to give you some scratches. Okay? Scratch, scratch. Wait a minute, where's your head? Scratch, 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 scratch. You pretty girl, honey. You're a pretty girl. Okay. So all your friends, thank you for subscribing, and we appreciate you. Yeah, we appreciate them so much. Thank you, guys. And for you new people, subscribe. Bye-bye.